Alright, so in this video of how to make money sending emails, I'm going to be showing you the exact steps and methods that you need to take to start making money online by sending emails. So I'm going to be dividing this tutorial video into 3 sections. Okay, alright, so the first section is where I'm going to be showing you where to find product and how to pick the best product to sell. The second section is where I'm going to be teaching you how to start extracting targeted leads of people who are interested in buying what you are selling. And the last section, which is section 3, is where I'm going to be showing you how to start sending bulk emails even without you doing the work. I'm going to show you an exact method of how you can start sending thousands of emails every single day for yourself without you doing the hard work. So very easy and very simple. So wherever you're watching this video from, whatever country that you are watching this video from, you can basically try out this method and it's definitely going to work for you. So if you're making use of a mobile device and you are skeptical if this method would work on your mobile device, I'm assuring you that with this method you can try it out on any device at all and you can be making real money for yourself. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to dive into my system and show you guys how to do it, how you make money for yourself sending emails. So let's get into it. What we're going to do right now for start making money online through sending emails is that we need to find something to sell. And this is something that a lot of people are doing wrongly. So what I do is that when it comes to picking a product to sell, I make use of a few different sites, and Warrior Plus is just one of them. So Warrior Plus is a free affiliate site where people like you who are interested in making money online can come over to. We can find product that we can sell, and once we start making sales for this product, we are basically paid our commission. So we are basically paid commissions for each sales that we make. So what you want to do right now is you want to come over to warriorplus.com, and once you're on warriorplus.com, all you need to do is you need to create a free account. So what you want to do is you want to sign up for a free account. So once you've been able to create your account, you're going to be having a dashboard that looks like this. So once you are here on this dashboard, all right, so what you want to do right now is once you are here is you can basically play around and you can find so many products that you can start promoting on Warrior Plus that can be making you a whole lot of money. But what me I love doing is that I love coming over to the affiliate section. You can see it where we have the affiliate section, and I love coming over to offers. So click on offers, okay, because that is where we are going to be finding product to promote, okay, and from there we will also be getting our affiliate link. So very easy and very simple. Come over to the affiliate section, and under it you want to go to offers, and once you are here is you can see that we have so many products here that are hot selling, and you can see that so many of them here are basically paying you within the range of $50 to over $169. So it all depends on whatever thing that you want to promote. But for me, I love going with real estate. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start promoting product from the real estate niche. So it doesn't really matter what niche you want to go into, but for me, I'm just going to go with real estate niche. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to put in my keyword. So I'm going to put in real estate. So for you, it doesn't really matter. It can be anything entirely. It can be YouTube, it can be affiliate marketing, it can be viral traffic, it can be YouTube traffic, it can be maybe Google Ads, whatever thing that you want to promote. Okay, you can type in the keyword here and automatically Warrior Plus is going to help you search their database, and they are going to provide you with a product related to what you are searching for. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on search. So as I click on search, automatically this is going to be giving me a product that is related to the real estate niche. So I don't have to stress myself, looking for it one after the other. I'm just going to put in my keyword, click on search, and automatically every of the product I will be finding here are all related to real estate. So you can see I have so many products here related to real estate. So all you need to do is once you've been able to search for the keyword or the category that you want to work with, you need to find at least 2 to 3 products that you want to promote. So for me, I'm just going to check out a few different ones here. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to open up this one. You can see this one that says the accelerated real estate lead system. This has actually sold for over 1,000 times, and you can see that the conversion rate is 11%, and you can see that the average sales is over $30, which is a very good product to promote. So I'm just going to open this up right now and show you guys what you need to do next. So once you are here on your affiliate page, all you need to do is you can basically find the picture of the vendor. So you can see the vendor. Here is the person who wants this product that I want to promote. And once you are here, you can basically find so many output tips like how much money you can be making. So you can see the commission range is between $28 to over $65 for one sale. So if you are making a sale of 2 sales every single day, you should know how much that is. and making it 3 sales every day, 4 sales, 5 sales, you can be making yourself real money here using this method. So very easy and very simple. So once you've been able to clarify that this is the product that you want to promote, you can also check out the product sales page, which I recommend by clicking on this place. You can see where it says view sales page. You click on view sales page to basically check out what the sales page looks like. So you can see this is what the sales page looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play around and make sure that I love the sales page, and everything that I have here is basically related to what I am promoting. So you can see this is what the sales page looks like. It is a very good sales page to work with. So once I'm satisfied with what I am seeing, all I need to do is I need to go back here, okay? And what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to click on request approval. So once you click on request approval, automatically you are telling this vendor that you want to help you promote this product, and it should give you access to promoting it. So automatically you want to click on request approval. So once you click on request approval, all you need to do is you want to type in the main reason why you want to promote this product. So this is very easy. You can craft out messages telling the vendor that you want to promote this product because you are into the real estate niche and you would like to promote this to your needs, or you would like to promote this to your audience. So whatever niche that you want to go into, all you need to do is to tell the vendor the reason why you want to promote their product. Alright, so you can see for yourself, this is actually what I typed in. I said, hi Mike, I would love to promote your product as I have an hungry audience who are interested in buying helpful product like Kiosk. This is going to help them get a good insight about real estate business and also ways on how to make money from this business model. Thanks, and I await your positive response. So this is actually something you want to craft out, telling the vendor why you want to promote his product, okay? So once you've been able to type in the message that you want to send to the vendor, all you need to do is you want to make sure that this place is check marked, okay? So please make sure you have this place check marked, and you click on request offer. So click on request offer. Once the vendor basically gets your message, he is going to approve your request and is going to be giving you your affiliate link. So it's very easy and very, very simple to do. So for me, I already have a product that I want to promote, and this is the product here. So you can see this is actually what the site or the product looks like. So this is a product I'm going to be selling. Okay, so once I've been able to find something to sell, once I've been able to get the exact product I want to sell based on my niche, I am ready to go. So this is actually what it looks like. You can see a very good background, a very good text, and you can see we have pictures and people here making the product look original and authentic. So once you've been able to find something to sell, and once you have your affiliate link, all right, you're going to be going over to section 2. So for section 2, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be extracting leads, people who are interested in buying whatever thing you want to sell to them. So please make sure you're finding something that you know is going to profit you well, okay? So something that you have a clear understanding of what it is. If you don't have a clear understanding of what you want to promote, you might struggle promoting it. So please make sure you note that. So once you've been able to do that, you're going to be finding people who are interested in buying, and that's what we're going to be doing here in section 2. All we need to do right now is we need to start extracting our ideal customers, okay? We need to start extracting their emails. Remember, you're going to be making money sending emails, right? So we need to start extracting our emails, all right? And we do this by making use of a software known as Lead Sniper, right? So I've been making use of Lead Sniper for over months now, and I tell you the best lead gen tool is Lead Sniper. I have used this, tested it out, used it for myself, used it for my client, and I tell you the result has just been amazing. So you can check out leadsniper.com to get yourself the software. So what we are going to do is you're going to be watching me practicalize how to start extracting emails of people who are interested in buying my product. So you can see here on the Lead Sniper software, all I need to do right now is I need to tell this to the kind of audience that I want to help me get. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in realtors here, and you can see I'm going to fit in other things like the email, which is going to be at gmail.com, okay? And you can see I'm also going to be selecting the country. The country is going to be Canada, right? And I'm also going to be doing some other things here that you are seeing on my screen. So once I've been able to set this up, okay, all I need to do is I need to roll the software. So once I start, click on start. This software is going to help me start extracting targeted emails of people who can buy what I want to sell. Okay, so you see the transition in now. We actually found something to sell, and what we are doing is that we are extracting leads. We are extracting people who are interested in buying our product. So once I'll be able to get all these things ready, I'm going to allow this to roll. So as you can see, it is basically rolling and it's extracting emails for me. So that is actually what we do. We first of all find something to sell, then we find people who are ready to buy. So once we've been able to get this thing, okay, it is becoming much more easier for us to start making making money online. So you can see this is actually how the software works, giving you extra edge on you generating quality leads for your business, right? So quality leads for whatever fee you want to sell. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to open up my own personal list. You can see I actually use the software to get over 500,000 email lists. So it all depends on how long you allow this to run. So the longer you allow it to run, the longer the leads it gets for you, and the longer leads you have for yourself, the more money you potentially can make from the list. So it is very, very easy. The more you allow it to run, the more emails it gets for you, and the more emails you have, the more money you could potentially make. So once you've been able to get this tool to help you extract all the leads you want to get, okay, so you can see I'm just going to use mine for an instance now. So once I've been able to get all the tools, okay, and everything ready, so all I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head over to section 3. All right, so here in section 3, what we're going to be doing basically is to start sending emails to people who are interested. So remember, we already have something to sell and we already have people who are going to buy. So the next thing we have to do is we need to start sending these guys emails. And one of the super ways you can do this, the most effective ways that you can do this, is by getting somebody to help you run your email campaigns. Okay, see, I say many people do email campaigns wrongly, especially cold email marketing. And you end up actually losing your account because even the software you are trying to use would actually not allow you because you're doing it wrongly. And number two is that you don't have idea of what you're doing. So if you're in that position, what you need to do is you need to find somebody to help you do it. All I do is that I come over to places like Fiverr. Okay, so Fiverr is a freelancing site where you can basically find anybody to do anything for you, literally anything. So what I did was that I came over to this place and I searched for cold email marketing, okay, and you can see the result I'm generating. You can see so many people here are interested in helping me send email campaigns, cold email campaigns, for as low as $5. So for as low as $5, I can be sending email campaigns. So just imagine that you get to somebody who's going to be helping you promote all your emails for $5, and for every email sent, you're making over $5. So you can see that it is a profitable business for you already. You don't have to do the work. You don't have to stress yourself with anything, because I tell you, sometimes sending email campaigns can really be a hard thing to do, with the setup, with the bounce rate, the spam folders and all of that. So we need to find people who can basically do the work. So you can come over to fiverr.com and you can find somebody here to start helping you send your email campaigns. Very, very easy and very, very simple to do. So once you've been able to find a list of people, right, you can also do that by clicking on the budget. You can tell Fiverr the budget you have for this service. So for me, I'm just going to input $5, okay, which I believe it is the lowest you can go. So $5 here, you're finding hundreds of people who can help you run email campaigns, cold email campaigns. So once you have a lot of people here who can help you with $5, right, all you need to do is you only want to start messaging these guys one by one and telling them what you want to do, right? Tell them the things you want to do, because once they give you a clarity of them being able to do your job, it makes the job much more easier. So what I do is that I engage these guys, at least 5 of them, okay, and I get to tell them, okay, this is what I want to do, can you guys do it? So once I get response, then I begin to categorize. I ask them for past jobs, okay. I want to see their past jobs, who have they worked for. I want to make sure I'm not wasting my money, so I want you to do the same. Please make sure you engage with this guy. So once you have someone who's up for the job, you can always reuse the person. So you're basically spending no money. So this is actually how you're going to be making your money. Once you've been able to start selling your email campaigns and you've been making profit from your Warrior Plus account, all you need to do right now is once you start withdrawing your money from Warrior Plus, of course, you can be paid via PayPal, all right? Once you start withdrawing your money via Warrior Plus, all you need to do is you just need to start removing 1% and you're paying the person who's actually helping you to send your email campaign. So once the person is done working, all you need to do is to pay the person his or her money. So once you've been able to make profit, once the person actually started helping you send out emails and people are buying whatever thing that you want to sell, okay, and you've been making profit, all you need to do is you need to remove some certain percent of the profit you're making and you're paying the person who's helping you to send email campaigns. It is very, very easy and very, very simple to do. So I see no reason why anybody should not try this out and make money for themselves. So that is actually what you do to start selling emails and you're making money from it. You find something that people want to buy, you extract people who are interested, people who can potentially buy, and you come over to a free site like Fiverr, freelancing site where you can pay people as low as $5 to help you start sending your email campaigns. So once you've been able to start sending out your email campaigns and you're making profit, you can keep on increasing how many leads that you are extracting and how many emails that you want to send every single day. So it's very, very easy and very, very simple to do. A very, very simple method that can make you money on autopilot even while you sleep, All you need to do is to just extract your leads, and I recommend you extract your leads yourself, because sometimes people can get it so wrong in extracting leads. They might just want to, make sure that they tell you that they have a long list for you, and whereas these leads that they have for you are not quality leads. Actually, I've experienced such that the guy just actually script anyhow leads, and I was the one who's at loss. Okay, so I was at loss in the business. So you don't want to do that. So you want to make sure you extract your leads yourself. So you can actually check out my channel where I have diverse videos on how to extract leads, okay, for free, paid, different methods on how to extract leads. So once you are extracting your leads yourself, which is basically the only work that I work with. So once you have your leads, maybe 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, it depends how many you want for yourself. So once you've been able to get your list, you come over to Fiverr, you hand over the list to somebody here and tell the person that you want the person to help you send cold emails to these guys promoting your Warrior Plus product. Very easy and very, very simple. So once you keep on doing this, guys, you're going to be seeing yourself making new money online. You're making money, you're removing some percentage, and you are paying the person who's helping you send your email campaigns. So you don't have to worry yourself sending your email campaigns. Absolutely, you can do this by getting people do it for you, and you are making money on autopilot. While you sleep, you can be making money for yourself. So that is the same method that many people are using to make money online, and also you can try it out and you can make real money for yourself. So if you're really happy with this video, please make sure you smash the like button in appreciation. And if you actually want me to share any video with you concerning any topic, alright, you can let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll do my possible best to make sure that I create that video. So thank you so much for watching. If you have your questions, you can let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, you take care of yourself and bye.